Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Lucas and I know it's been a while, but I've been battling a little bit of a cold and I'm still kind of a little bit sick, so I apologize if I sound a little bit rough, but I figured I'd get this video out there. It's been a while since I've done a pickups video, like 4 or 5, maybe even 6 months, so I figured I'd share some things I've grabbed over this summer. But before we get started, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to catch up to Cristiano Ronaldo, so hit that subscribe button and let's just get into it. Starting off with a couple pairs of shoes, and these are actually both going to be from Fugazi. These are the Trenches, basically Chuck Taylor. I'm not the biggest fan of Chucks, but these, I really like them. I like this sort of rubberized outsole. It goes all the way around, comes up onto the shoe as well, covers the toe capping. I saw some reference pictures of these. I don't remember what they were. I think it was like a military shoe of some kind. They did come with green laces. I switched them out for the white ones. And of course, as always, the details are crazy on these. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Fugazi on the outsole. So very, very cool, very nice details, super lightweight. Been wearing them quite a lot actually. I got these in a size 9. They didn't do half sizes, so I just went for a 9. Just to be safe. They're a little bit long, but they work for me. And they are incredible. Probably gonna wear them a lot in the fall and winter. Next is a pair that I've talked about a lot on this channel, a pair that I've been waiting for a very long time, and finally Trevor released another colorway a few weeks ago, I wanna say. These are the Fugazi Tibets, the black colorway with the red, yellow, blue, multi-color laces. Also came with extra black laces. I got these in a size 9 as well, and I heard that they were not very comfortable, but I think Trevor said that the footbed is a lot softer on this one. The leather on the inside as well is a little bit softer. So leather footbed, Vibram outsole. They are quite heavy, thick, chunky. I haven't really worn them yet. Probably gonna wear them today, honestly, and see how they go. But I'm not really looking for them to be super comfortable, like daily, wear them 8 hours a day, because I know that's not really what they're for. But yes, Fugazi Tibets, in my opinion, the best shoe that Trevor's made to date so far. I love these. I think they're very cool. You don't see them every day. I've never seen anybody wear them in person, so Fugazi Tibets finally have these, and I believe he has another colorway that I'll probably release down the line somewhere. Next, I'll move into bottoms, and I only bought one pair of bottoms this summer, or the past, 5-6 months. And the ones I bought are the Our Legacy third cut digital print denim. I got these in a size 30. I'm 5'8", about 150 pounds. And they fit me nicely. They're a little bit long, but I don't really want to get them tailored just because of the print on the bottom of the heel here. I kind of want to leave it how it is. And if you're unfamiliar with the digital print denim, it gives off the distressed look, but as you can see, it's not. It's just how they digitally printed on it, so very cool. I've seen pictures online of these a lot, and then I saw them in person in store, and I was kind of just blown away and sold immediately on the spot. They are a crazy pair to see in person, and actually very comfortable as well. So very happy to finally have these. Probably will be getting a ton of wear out of them. I don't really have wash quite like this, so very happy to have these finally. Love them, and in my opinion, they're worth it. So Our Legacy third cut digital print denim. The next pair is a pair that I was gifted by Faulhaber Agency, I believe is how you pronounce it. And these are the Levi's collab with McLaren. Levi's and McLaren did a collab a few months ago, and they sent me some pieces. These are the 501 jeans. Just a nice little dark wash. We got a couple McLaren patches on the right thigh here. And then we got the McLaren patch on the back, Levi's patch. And then, interesting, we got a zipper pocket on the back here. 1988 MP44, which I believe was Senna's car. I could be wrong, but cool pair of jeans here. Haven't really worn them yet, but shout out to Faulhaber and Levi's. Thank you for sending these over. Really appreciate it. So now I'll move into the tops, starting off with the few tops that I thrifted. A couple button-ups. There's this one. The brand is Cola Wear. I don't really know anything about it, but Just a nice, simple button-up shirt that I was looking for. I was looking for these all summer pretty much, and honestly, if you go to Value Village, Goodwill, whatever, thrift stores locally, there's gonna be like hundreds of them on the rack. And if you just look, you can definitely find some to your desired print, fit, etc. This one, my favorite of the two that I did find, short sleeve, nice, I like how it fits. Very cool. And then the second one is this Gap long sleeve. Again, I like the fit, I like the color, I like the kind of print design on it, whatever. Only thing is I did crop it and it's a little bit short, but I can still wear it like open as a layering piece. I think I paid $5 for both of them, so definitely can't go wrong. If you're in the market for a button down, like I said, just hit up your local thrift store and you're bound to find at least one. And then the last thing I found on my thrifting adventures was this 2016 Columbia home shirt. This was from the Copa America, and this one actually also has the Copa America patch on it from the 100-year anniversary of the Copa America that they did in the USA in 2016. So very nice. I think I paid $7 for this one. Columbia home shirt. Get the Tyler the Creator Supreme Tee, black, size medium. As you can see, still in the bag. I'm unsure if I'm going to keep it or sell it at this point. I'm probably not going to wear it, but I did want to buy it. Just kind of, it's a cool piece to have. I'm a big Tyler fan. I think he inspires me a lot in fashion and everything, so it's a cool piece to have. But like I said, I'm probably just not going to wear it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one just yet, but I'm gonna keep it in the bag for now. All right, well, I apologize if it looks a bit different. I was editing the video and the footage just, I don't know what happened, there was no sound, so I'm gonna keep it now on the mic this time. But next up is this Dime football shirt. This is from like the spring, I wanna say. I got this a long time ago. I don't think I've shown it yet. Just this Dime football shirt. Kind of gives off Inter Milan vibes with the blue and black stripes, and then it has this really cool like 3D rendering of mountains, I guess is how I would describe it, on the top and bottom. I think one thing Dime does exceptionally well is football shirts, and I feel like they're a little bit slept on outside of Canada and outside of like the skate scene, but shout out to Dime, good Canadian brand. And then next up is a shirt I got from Mestizo. This is a vintage Seinfeld tee from 1996. If you don't know, I'm a huge Seinfeld fan. This one has a picture of Newman on the front. It says, "Hello, Jerry." And then on the back, it says, "Hello, Newman," with the Seinfeld logo. So, very nice, very cool shirt. This is a size extra large. It's like a little bit big on me, but it's fine. So, very cool vintage Seinfeld tee. Next is a piece I was gifted from my friend Kai and his brand Sanctuary Works. This is a very beautiful long sleeve shirt. This is the Tencel shirt, which I believe the material is just 100% Tencel. It is this very beautiful color with two chest pockets, and then it has a nice detail on the cuff where it says, maybe it's on this one, on this cuff where it says Sanctuary. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says Sanctuary on that cuff. It's a very beautiful, lightweight, super breathable shirt. Gonna be perfect for the fall and spring, maybe even the winter, but very beautiful shirt. Shout out to Kai once again. Thank you very much for this. Another piece that I was gifted from the Levi's McLaren collection is this denim jacket. I believe this is a type 2. Could be wrong, I'm not 100% sure. I'm not too knowledgeable on my Levi's denim jackets, but this one's actually very nice. It's got the zipper enclosure, which is a little bit different, obviously. And then we got the two McLaren patches on the chest. I don't have any denim jackets, so I imagine I'll wear this one a little bit in the fall, winter. It's very nice. The fit is quite nice. And the McLaren patches are not too loud, not too crazy, a little bit subtle. So it's a very cool piece. Again, thank you to Fallhaber for sending that over. And then a couple of accessories, starting off with the hats. I have another Momo Toys snapback with this very cool print. I don't know how to describe it. It's like this retro, arcadey inspired print, but Shout out to Dino, he's doing an incredible thing. If you're in LA and you want to check out the store, I would definitely recommend it. He has some very cool merch and then some very cool things that he sells at his store. Another hat from Fugazi. Not sure the exact name of this one, but it's a 6-panel with these flags that I'm not going to name. So shout out to this one. I believe it's still available online if you're looking for that. Then we have this vintage Gore-Tex hat that I got from Etsy. Just this navy strap back Gore-Tex with the suede brim. I do have to kind of fix the shape of it. It's kind of lost a lot of its structure, so I'm gonna fix that. But a very cool hat that I grabbed for a pretty good price off Etsy. And then the last hat is the Ore snapback, Trapped in a World We Never Made. This is the second iteration of this hat, I believe. Ray released this as like a trucker hat last year or 2 years ago, and then he dropped it in this beautiful snapback. I love the Ore shapes, they're incredible. This is sold out by now, unfortunately, but maybe he'll bring back this design again. So Ore snapback, very nice. And then a couple necklaces, the one that I'm wearing actually, I bought from Hivemind and Copes, which Hivemind is just a YouTube channel that I enjoy watching. And it also came with this pendant, which is a platypus holding a dagger with a sweet mohawk as well. I took it off just because it's kind of heavy and the mohawk and the dagger were like stabbing me, so I took that off. And then I was gifted this necklace from Swedish brand AWNL. Now for me, I'm kind of picky with when it comes to jewelry, especially necklaces. I never really wore a necklace just because I couldn't really find one that I liked the length of and everything. But they sent me the chain and then an obsidian pendant as well. So very nice. Probably throw this one on and just have 2 necklaces. So thank you. Wow. Thank you, AWNL. Really appreciate it. And then to finish off the video, I'm just gonna kind of speed run through a few vinyls that I've picked up recently. I'm really struggling with the mic today, but first up we have Victor Vaughn, aka MF Doom. This is a record store day release from a few years ago that I was able to find. Then we have Young Thug Jeffrey, which is a record store day release. Stood in line for that one for like an hour and a half. Then we have Stereolab, that one's Ectoplasm something, Portishead, third. Next up we have Melody's Echo Chamber. I think this one's called Emotional Eternal. Great band. If you're unfamiliar, definitely check them out. Then we have JPEG Mafia, Veteran. Finally was able to find that one. Then we have Cocteau Twins, Heaven or Las Vegas, and Aphex Twin to round it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Might be the last pickups video for a while, but subscribe if you're new, leave a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time.